In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save routes for later in Google Maps. If you've ever mapped out the perfect drive or transit plan and wished you could come back to it without rebuilding it from scratch, this will make your life easier. We're going to create a route, generate a shareable link, and save that link so you can reopen the exact same route anytime. Start by opening Google Maps in your browser or the app. Once it's open, select Directions. This brings up the route planner where you can enter two places. Type your starting point and your destination. You can use exact addresses, business names, or saved places, and you can swap the start and end if needed. Take a moment to make sure the locations are precise so the route you save is the one you actually want. Next, choose your travel mode. Pick driving, walking, transit, biking, or flights, whatever applies. This matters because the link you save will remember the mode you choose so you won't have to change it later. When the route appears, look at the left panel on desktop. You'll see your primary route along with alternatives, plus options like avoiding tolls or highways. If you want the saved link to follow a specific path or avoid certain roads, set those preferences now and select the route you prefer. Those choices will be preserved in the link. Click Share. On desktop, the Share button is in the left panel near the route details. If you're on your phone, use the Share option in the app after you've set the route. This creates a unique link that points back to your exact route and settings. Copy the link. Think of this link as a snapshot of your route configuration. It doesn't include your personal data, it simply tells Google Maps how to recreate what you're seeing. Now save it in your bookmarks or notes. In your browser, add it to a bookmarks folder and give it a clear name like Weekend Hike Route or Client Visit, no tolls. If you prefer a notes app, paste the link there with a short description. If you use multiple devices, saving in a synced place ensures you can open it anywhere. Later, when you open that link, the route reloads exactly as designed, including the travel mode and options you selected. Keep in mind that live conditions like traffic or transit schedules may update, but the structure of your route stays intact. That's it, plan once, save the link, and you're ready to go whenever you need it.